Good morning and thank you for joining us for Monday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gold prices rose around 1% and were poised for their best monthly performance since April, as US inflation data reinforced expectations that the Federal Reserve could cut interest rates next month. The dollar weakened against the euro and Swiss franc to end last week, on course for a 2% decline in August against a basket of currencies, as traders prepared for a US interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve next month. China's manufacturing activity shrank for a fifth straight month in August, an official survey showed, suggesting producers are waiting for further clarity on a trade deal with the US, while domestic demand remains sluggish.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. Crude oil prices edged lower in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
With a full schedule ahead, the economic calendar features critical reports and updates, ranging from major announcements to moderate impact data. These releases may guide financial markets, so staying informed is key. These updates are not just routine, they're potential catalysts for market change. Be ready to evaluate their impact and adjust your investment plans accordingly.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Monday's financial review. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. And be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.